How to fix RoShade not working. So in order to fix this issue, what you want to do is, first of all head over to the menu, and then in the source bar, search for Task Manager, and then move into it. This interface will pop up on your screen. So over here, what you want to do is, you have to make sure that the background application is disabled. Once you disable all the background application, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to make sure that your application is up to date. The issue might arise because your application is not up to date, so make sure you are using the latest version of RoShade. Even if it is up to date and you are still facing the issue, then the next thing you want to do is, you have to open the site from different web browser. Opening the site of RoShade from different web browser and logging into that account might fix the issue that you have been facing. If you are using the RoShade app, then what you want to do is, you have to uninstall the application and then reinstall it. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix RoShade not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.